Oh, hey guys. So on this episode of Bangin, we're going to talk about where I've been for the last 3 weeks and why I haven't posted anything. So stick around. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Frank. And this channel is about cars and car shows and everything in that nature around my local area. But I've said in past videos a few times that I do a lot of filming for the local police department. And the last 3 weeks, they kept me pretty busy. So we filmed a public service announcement that turned out to be pretty extensive. And I ended up writing a 13-page script. We had some local people who wanted to participate and they were our actors. We also filmed different locations in the streets and at a local real estate office. And it turned out really good, I think. And even though it has nothing to do with cars or nothing like I've done on this channel before, it really gave me an opportunity to play with my directing skills and film a short kind of movie, I think. But I want to share that video with you today. I would love to get your feedback on it. And later in the week, I'm going to post another video of another video I shot for the police department as well. And then we're going to get right back into the car show stuff, I promise. Okay, so sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you next time on Bangin Gear.
Thank you for calling Remax Real Estate Connections. This is Melissa. How can I help you?
Allison, thank you so much for taking us to show us homes today. We desperately need something bigger.
You're so very welcome, Brittany. It was a lot of fun. I just wish that your husband would have been able to join us today.
I know, I hate he wasn't here. He had a big meeting at work, but I promised to show him the listings when he gets home from work tonight. Especially the White House on the hill with the fence. I really like that one. What is it?
I'm hungry.
Okay, well, as soon as Mommy finishes talking, we'll go get something to eat, okay?
Hungry now.
Allison, I'm sorry, but we really need to go.
I understand.
Thank you again, and I'll talk to you soon.
Sounds great. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's go. Oh, hang on. Hi, honey. How's work? We saw a ton of houses. I cannot wait for you to see them. There's one that I really love. They're great. We're leaving the real estate office now. Okay, honey, I know. I love you, and I'll give you a call when I get home tonight. Okay, honey, we're going to the car.
Hold on, I love this song. Let me...
Crosswalks. They could be a nightmare for pedestrians and it could cause confusion for some drivers. Hello, I'm Officer O'Neill with the Town of Haymarket Police Department, and I'm here today with some safety advice for dealing with crosswalks, both as a pedestrian and a driver. Did you know that a pedestrian is killed in a traffic accident every 88 minutes in the U.S.? According to Virginia Statute 46.2-924, as a pedestrian, you are required to look both ways before stepping into a crosswalk. This ensures that drivers have enough time to stop so you can safely cross. As a driver approaching a pedestrian crosswalk, you need to be aware of pedestrians and come to a complete stop as they pass across your lane of travel. We live in a world of technology and distractions. We are constantly challenged by them. Be vigilant, always be aware of your surroundings. We want to make sure everyone gets home safe. Yes, Madison? What's up, honey?
I'm hungry now.
Oh, you're really hungry now? Okay, well come on. It's been a long day, so we'll go get some food, okay? On behalf of the Town of Haymarket Police Department in Madison, we'd like to thank you for watching our PSA video today. We hope everybody has a safe afternoon. Bye.